This whole thing about video conferencing can get very complex because there are a plethora of companies producing software for it, and they all work differently, and then there are different ways for connections, and there's internet connection, there's local connection, and so on. So let's just take a look at a few of the basic concepts of it. First of all, video conferencing can choose from any number, a large number of protocols that it can use. It is an isosynchronous type of communication. That is to say, you have to have people at both ends of it at the same time, just like you do with a phone call, in order for it to work. It can be circuit switched or packet switched. Now, over the phone, video conferencing is typically circuit switched. It's reliable, it can handle high data rates over the phone, and so you don't really have a lot of pausing and synchronization issues when you're doing it over the phone. But when you're doing it over the internet, now it's packet switched, and those packets have to take different routes, and there can be delays. You can have a lot of reliability issues when you're doing video conferencing over the internet. So Skype isn't a good example of that. A lot of delays and freezing and so forth. Besides that, on the internet, we don't really have what we call the quality of service capability in routers that we have in switches. So in routers, remember that the internet is going to work across routers, and since quality of service is that ability to give priority to certain types of traffic, well, those routers can't really give priority, and so again we have those delays because it doesn't have priority. But over the local network, switches certainly do have quality of service capability, and I can give priority to the video or audio streaming as opposed to, say, web traffic or file transfer traffic. And so it is much more reliable when I'm doing it over a local network.